Let's start by creating a Sass Mixin to manage our media queries. This code defines a mixin named respond_to, which takes a single parameter named $breakpoint. Inside the mixin, we use an if-else statement to check the value of this breakpoint. Depending on whether you pass phone, tablet, or desktop as the argument, the mixin will wrap the contained styles in a media query for the appropriate screen size. Notice how we're using the @content directive to inject the styles at the correct place within those media queries. Now let's see how to use the respond_to mixin in our styles. First, we import the mixins with our mixin definition. Then, we define a class myComponent with a default font size of 16 pixels. However, we want myComponent to be responsive, so we use the respond_to mixin to adjust the font size for different breakpoints. For phone screens, we set it to 14 pixels, for tablets, to 15 pixels, and for desktops, we maintain the default size of 16 pixels. By including the mixin, we keep our code clean and avoid repetition of media query boilerplate. Finally, let's incorporate these styles into a Next.js component. We start by importing our compiled CSS module from styles module SCSS, which includes our responsive styles. We then define a functional component named myComponent that returns a div element with our myComponent class attached. This element will display text that adjusts in size based on the current viewport's dimensions, demonstrating our responsive design in action. It's a clean and efficient way to handle responsive styles in a Next.js application.